Okay, good morning, one and all present over here once again. So, in a previous chapter, in a previous class, in a previous video, we were discussing about the poverty, the people living below poverty line, and the critical conditions and the features of those people, those who are living below poverty line. Then we have also discussed about the different types of the reports which has been generated by the various committees for estimating or calculating the poverty in India. As per the report of UNDP 2015, the 21.92% poverty is there in India, and the Chhattisgarh is the poorest state of India. Please note down this in your book that Chhattisgarh is the poorest state of India, and the Goa is the poverty lowest poverty state of इंडिया. सबसे कम पॉवर्टी गोवा में है और सबसे ज्यादा पॉवर्टी जो है वो छत्तीसगढ़ में है. गुजरात का अगर देखा जाए तो गुजरात हैविंग 16.63% poverty. See, this is one of the important question. Give reason the poor lives in wealthy India. आपको ये बोर्ड में पूछा जा सकता है या फिर ये ऐसे भी आपको याद रखना चाहिए क्योंकि ये बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट चीज है कि भाई पुअर लिव इन वेल्दी इंडिया. समृद्ध भारत गरीबों का देश है. समृद्ध भारत is wealthy, then also why people are so poor? See here, the reason is given. India is bestow, the motherland India is bestow with the mineral resources in a large quantity, and the prosperous in the natural raw materials. Absolutely correct. The God has given us abundant and plenty of raw materials, natural raw material, as well as the minerals. You just, if you will look at or survey of the Deccan Plateau is called as a, I would like to say, it's a plateau of the mineral, Deccan Plateau completely. So the India is bestowed with the plenty of the minerals, but because of lack of ability to make worthy profit from them, lack of education, training, and skill, defective planning since years, these natural resources have not been utilized to their best possible extent for the welfare of the people. सब कुछ होने के बावजूद इतने रिसोर्सेज है, रॉ मटेरियल है, इनके बावजूद लैक ऑफ एजुकेशन, lack of ability to use that resource, and skill. We do not have the skill. मैं जब भी कभी कोई हमें पूछता मुझे पूछता है कि सर कौन सा फील्ड अच्छा है, तो मैं उनको ये बोलता हूँ सारे फील्ड अच्छे होते हैं, लेकिन आप में स्किल क्या है, दैट इज मच मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. अगर आप में स्किल नहीं है, देन यू आर नॉट वर्दी, you are zero. Though you have a degree of MBA, PhD, MSc, कोई भी बड़ी डिग्री क्यों ना हो, लेकिन अगर आपके पास वो डिग्री के अकॉर्डिंग आपके पास स्किल नहीं है, देन यू फेल. तो आपका कोई इंपॉर्टेंस नहीं है. सो बिकॉज ऑफ द लैक ऑफ स्किल, बिकॉज ऑफ द डिफेक्टिव प्लानिंग, वी आर नॉट capable or able to use that resources up to the sufficient extent, and that is why it is to be said that the poor lives in wealthy India. Now let's see the rural poor and the urban poor. रूरल में कौन से टाइप के लोग पुअर होते हैं, अर्बन एरिया में who are called as a poor. Let's discuss. Generally, the landless laborers, farm laborers, artisans of the cottage industries or the small scale industries, marginal farmers, beggars, forced laborers, inhabitants of the forest or the mountainous region, tribals, and temporary craftsmen are the poor in the village. And in the urban area, temporary labors, labors of the daily wages. Daily wages means those who are earning on daily basis. If they will work, they will earn. If they will not work, they will not get money. That is the daily wages. Domestic workers, rickshawala, workers in a tea stall or the hotels. Here, the workers, not the owner of the tea stall and the hotels. The workers. The workers working in a garage, beggars or who are not able to satisfy their minimum basic necessities and live in a poverty are considered to be the poor in the urban area. So here the bifurcation has been given that which type of the people can be found as a poor in the urban area and in the rural area. Now this is a very much important topic, reason for the poverty. What are the reason for the poverty? Why this poverty exists, or what are the reason behind the poverty? Number one, decrease in income from the agriculture sector because of the insufficient development in the field of agriculture and insufficient irrigation facilities. Due to the lack of irrigation facilities and the sufficient use of the land and the production of the agriculture decreases, and that is why it lead to the poverty. The farmers, those who have done a great efforts to cultivate the farm, to yield the farm, to till the farm, then also they do not get remuneration. Rather than remuneration, I would like to say profit. They do not get profit up to the mark, and there remains poor. Number two, lack of alternative employments. And hold on, guys, wait for a while.